The ancient Hindus were a diverse and vibrant civilization that flourished in the Indian subcontinent thousands of years ago. Their rich cultural heritage, profound spirituality, and remarkable intellectual achievements have left an indelible mark on the world. Religion played a central role in ancient Hindu society. The ancient Hindus worshipped a multitude of deities, with each god and goddess representing different aspects of the divine. Their religious practices ranged from elaborate rituals and sacrifices to personal devotion and meditation. The Vedas, a collection of ancient scriptures, provided the foundation for their spiritual beliefs and rituals. The concept of dharma, or righteous living, was deeply ingrained in ancient Hindu society. It emphasized the importance of fulfilling one's duties and responsibilities according to one's caste or social position. The caste system, although rigid, also provided stability and structure to their society. Education and intellectual pursuits were highly valued in ancient Hindu civilization. Scholars and philosophers engaged in profound philosophical debates and produced remarkable works of literature. The ancient texts, such as the Upanishads, the Mahabharata, and the Ramayana, explored complex themes of morality, spirituality, and the nature of existence. Ancient Hindus made significant advancements in various fields of knowledge. Mathematics and astronomy were highly developed, with the concept of zero and decimal system originating from their contributions. Ayurveda, the traditional system of medicine, focused on holistic healing and the balance of mind, body, and spirit. Art and architecture thrived in ancient Hindu civilization. Elaborate temples adorned with intricate sculptures and carvings showcased their devotion to the divine. The world-famous temples of Khajuraho, Konark, and Ellora stand as testaments to their architectural brilliance. The ancient Hindus held a deep reverence for nature and the interconnectedness of all living beings. They recognized the importance of environmental preservation and sustainability, as evidenced by their sacred rivers, forests, and wildlife sanctuaries. Despite the passage of time, the influence of ancient Hindu culture endures. Today, millions of people around the world continue to practice Hinduism, drawing inspiration from the timeless wisdom and teachings of their ancestors. The story of the ancient Hindus is one of immense creativity, spiritual depth, and intellectual curiosity. Their contributions to art, science, philosophy, and spirituality continue to inspire and captivate generations, reminding us of the profound wisdom and beauty of this ancient civilization.